This video is an aid to help you create custom Elektra voice files for the replacement Squawk and Talk soundboard that I created. This video is intended to be played while you're recording your voice. The video will alternate between showing you what you need to say and then being quiet while you record your voice. The idea is to create one large sound file which you can later break up into individual files for the soundboard. I'll show you each phrase by playing the stock voice as well as the words spelt out on the screen. The yellow text will be shown for the duration of the phrase. You'll then be given a chance to record your own voice. Watch the yellow text for your part. It will only be shown for the desired duration. The first two phrases are repeated so you'll have a chance to practice. There's also a longer phrase near the end that's also repeated so you can pick the best one. Give it a try. Good luck.
Spectrum. Spectrum. Dimension. Dimension. In orbit. In position. You are closing on Alpha. Elektra time has expired. Prepare for the Gamma. Satellites. Satellite. Satellite Beta. Satellite Alpha. Will you return? You have been exposed to Elektra's radiation. You have broken the light barrier. Elektra. You are entering the radiant dimension. Prepare for the Gamma dimension. You have been exposed to Elektra's radiation. Will you return? You have been exposed to Elektra's radiation. Will you return? You are entering the radiant dimension. Elektra. Satellites in orbit. Satellite in orbit. Satellite Beta in position. Satellite Alpha in position.